Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra live video monitoring. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description, where we have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all of those links in the description. So we're in the Dreame Home app. We have our L60 Pro Ultra pulled up right here. There's actually a quick shortcut to get to the video monitoring right from the screen. It's towards the center. It's right below the vacuum image on the screen. It's a little camera icon slightly off to the right. So it's to the left of the go button. So it's a little camera icon. You can select that. And that's going to take us into our live video monitoring, where we have to enter our activation code, which you'll set up the first time you enter in. So it's going to take a second to load, but then we'll get that live view where we can drive and patrol around with our vacuum, which is pretty sweet. So it's opening up. We'll also get notifications on the vacuum itself as it's driving. And when you're in this mode, it will let you know that this mode is enabled for your privacy and protection. So we can go through a little startup screen tutorial here, showing you how to use it. And then the video status prompts, right? So that's what we got there, which is great. And then now we're at the screen itself. So we'll look at the nice overview that we have here of everything. We'll just start in the left-hand corner and work our way all the way around. So left-hand corner, that's going to be your manual controls to drive it. Above that's going to be your map, which is pretty cool. And then we have our settings here. So we could drop a pin and have it go to that area, or we can go back out. And then we can use my favorite one, the option to cruise. So you can cruise different areas. Right, that's really cool. And then to the right of that with the little flashlight icon, so we can adjust the built-in LED light and control that. Up in the top right-hand corner, we got the little question mark. That brings up the boxes that we looked at earlier, that little like start screen that you'll see for the first time. Then to the right of that, we have our gallery. And then we have our three dots, so we can see our cruising record and history with those three dots. Then below those three dots, we have our microphone icon, so we can engage with two-way audio and talking back and forth. We have a camera icon so we can snap a photo. We have a video icon so we can take 60-second video clips and snippets. And then we can stop that too. And then below that, we have a little thunderbolt that's going to send it back home to charge. Then to the left of that, we can raise and lower the module for our navigation. And then we have our pet mode, which is fun. So we can interact with our pets. It can play noises for you to play to your pets, which is hilarious. And then to the left of that, we have our pet snap mode. Basically, it will capture pictures of your pets. So we have that enabled, which is pretty cool. So that's going to be a quick overview of all the settings and controls that you have there. Now let's go ahead, let's go back to our map, and let's do a cruise. I'll pick two areas. Oop. Try to get them where a little bit better. Let's go in the middle there, and let's go right there. Nope. How about right there? And we'll hit cruise. So now it's going to dispatch from the station. It's going to go out and it's going to start cruising for us, which is really, really cool. All right, it's off to the races here. We can take a little video too. All right, so it said it failed to reach target location for that one. Now, in its defense, I did just edit the map, so maybe I split the room wrong because it had that room combined, which is fine. So we'll give it a little bit of grace there. It's making its way to the next spot. Videos been added. We can snap a photo too, right? Pretty cool. So it's at that spot. Once it gets to that spot, it'll do a full 360 in that area. And then it'll continue to cruise on if you have other waypoints. But in this case, we only did two. So then after this, automatically, it will just go back home itself and recharge, which is really sweet. And it's giving you those prompts in real time. So it's saying, you know, going back to the dock to recharge. It also lets you know every couple of seconds it's live video monitoring. It's doing video monitoring. You hear those audible voice prompts, knowing that the camera's activated. But it's really doing a good job. We have a lot of light on in the studio right now. And I like how everything's exposed. It's doing a really good job with the camera. I'm actually super impressed with the quality. And then it just makes its way back to the station, charges, and that's it. So that's a look at live video monitoring. There's a lot of features and control options that Dreame gives you within this app to really make the most of it.